Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Appalachian Home, and to another video. So today I'm going to be doing this really simple, cute wooden sign for my son's room, and I'm going to be doing it using stencils and stain. So I'm going to show you how I do that today, and I'm going to be using this Minwax wiping stain in the color Natural Chesnut, and wiping stain is a little bit thicker than regular stain, so I wanted something a little bit drier to do over my letters so that the stain would not run under the letters. And I'm going to be using this microfiber cloth to apply it with. I'm also using this Mod Podge sealer in matte finish, and I'm also going to be using this stencil that I made using the Oramask 813 stencil vinyl, and I love this stuff. It works great for this project. I'll leave a description in the box below if you want to use this project. You can download it, and I'll also leave the dimensions I used for this design. And I'm also using this Duck brand clear laminate or contact paper. You can find it at Walmart. It's very inexpensive, and it actually worked better than regular transfer tape. I'm using a 1-inch thick glued edge panel board that I found at Lowe's. This piece of wood was $30. It came in a 4x6 sheet. I had Lowe's cut it down for me, so I didn't even have to cut it at home. So the first thing I did is I removed the negative part of my stencil. I layered really thin coats of stain over all of the letters and just lightly rubbed around any parts that I missed, and then I tried to apply the stain along the grain of the wood. That seemed to help make it go a little bit smoother. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some tips and inspiration. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload any new videos. So I want to say Happy New Year's Eve to all of you. Thank you so much again for watching all of my videos, and I'll see you again in a few days in the new year with a new video.